As a parent, least you can do for your child or children is to plan for their future. This is my opinion. If you cannot afford to save $50 per week per child, you should not be having kids. I actually recommend $100 per week per child. Give your child a head start. Now, there are 52 weeks in a year. Now, a child become an adult at 18, so 18 years. That's 936. Times that by 50 and you get 46,800. Call it 50 grand. So you're giving your child a head start in life. 50 grand in 18 years with inflation is probably going to be valued at $30,000. Now, 52 weeks times 18 times 100, you're giving your child a better